All right, everybody, welcome to the Connect McGraw-Hill homework setup. Since I don't have a 1442 class or 1342 class this semester, I'm just going to use a blank class right now for this. And these are the procedures, and it's very easy and very quick. First thing we want to do, we're in our home page, so everybody's going to go to home in Canvas. First, you log into Canvas and get there, go to home. Then you go to modules. So modules is where everything's going to be. So I'm going to click on modules. And right now there shouldn't be anything there because it's a blank canvas. So we're going to add a module. We want a module just for homework, that's what I'm doing. So I hit plus module up here, and I'm labeling the module my homework module. And then I'm going to add it down here. And then a module pops up, but this module is nothing. It's just a title. What you need to do is publish it so the students can see it. Now they can see the entire module. Now we're going to bring in the connect link. And this is actually confusing because I did it last semester and I had to go back and check how to do this again because it's a weird title. So pay attention to the title that we're going to go look for. Plus is adding something to the module. So we're going to add something to the module. Up here in assignments, I'm going to click the arrow and go all the way down to external tool. And if you look, there's a ton of stuff that you could pick at the top. And it's really hard to see, even though we're using Connect. We're going to choose this one right here, Alex CHBA SPC. That's confusing because we're using Connect and it says Alex and all that. So this is the one that we select. Alex CHBA St. Philip's College SPC. So I'm going to click on that. And then at the bottom of this, I have this thing in a way so I can't see it. We're going to add the item. So St. Philip's College, if I add the item, it's there. I'm going to publish it. And we are actually done. We're not done, but this is it. I mean, this is what the students will see. They're going to click on this and they're going to log on to homework. Well, you're going to have to do some more before the students do this. So at this point, we're going to click on to homework. This is the homework, and you can rename it. I normally do this. And I just add in and update it. I just edit over here on the three dots. I just go to edit and I edit it and update it. I edit the name to where, oh, do homework here. This is what you click on to do the homework. All right, so if I click on that, now we have to find our book. Okay, so it's going to say, which book are you using? So we might need to, well, you don't need to write it down. You have the book with you, but we're looking for Blumen 8. Blumen 8, 8th edition for the stats book. And I'm going to find it. And it's the first one right up here, Elementary Statistics. 2019, and it does say 8th edition. That's the one we're using. And don't click on the book like I did before earlier. It didn't work. You have to hit select right below the book. So I'm going to hit select, and the book is there. Now, this is a weird part. It says down below the book, it says Alex and Connect. We're using Connect. So we have to emphasize to the students when they log in, they have to click on Connect. Now, I've never clicked on Alex to see what it does, but it's a different link. We're clicking on connect. So once we have our book, I'm going to click on connect. I am recording this and everybody will have the video. I'll send it out. I thought I clicked on connect. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay, so let me scroll down a little bit. What's it say? It's missing something. Oh, it's in the upper right-hand corner. I want this for my students. It says return to MH campus. No, I want this for my students. So we're clicking on I want this for my students in the upper right-hand corner. And students can purchase blah, 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 blah. They're not going to purchase anything. And then adopt the Connect Math. Adopt Connect Math. And as soon as I click on Adopt Connect Math, this pops up. Renita has already given everybody in stats their course. I'm not sure about the 12-week part, Rochelle. I don't know if she gave you your course yet, but
we did.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So you can actually set up your class now if you wanted to get started with it early. So from here, we're going to copy an existing Connect Math course. The very bottom, copy an existing Math Connect course. And we have to choose our course, and it'll have all the courses that you've had in the past. Unfortunately, I have the administrative privileges, so I have like everybody's name in here. So you make sure the course you pick has your name next to it. So I'm going up to Troutman to find my course, and it's a practice course. Where's right here. This is the one I got set up for this. It says practice. I click on that. So you're going to click on the one that you're assigned for 2022, whatever, whatever you have. It might be a co-op course or a standalone course. If you look, this one here that I'm transferring over says standalone, SA. And then I think the other ones say C something or CO or something. Not sure. Yeah. Well, actually, I can probably, no, I don't think I can see that. So I'm going to hit continue from here once I select my course. And it says, hey, are you sure? Yes, I'm going to confirm it. And you can change anything you want from the date. Hopefully you went into your course ahead of time and you can set it up, and you can put your start course date and end date. I started it a few days before the course would start normally. That's what I normally do. So they can log in on Friday and start looking at it and everything. So you can make any changes to this if you need to. Hit continue. Or you just go into the course. Now from here, I keep on clicking on these Connect Math and MH Campus. They don't do nothing. You have to hit continue. From here, you hit continue. It says your Connect Math course has been securely paired. So it's already been paired. We're going to hit continue. And we are in the course. Look, there's all the homework. Make sure you set up your dates for your each assignment. You see it says August 20th to December 10th. So you just go in and change your dates and all that. And Rochelle, if you need any help with that, just let me know. We can get together and change dates and things like that. I would try to experiment with it and try to figure it out. But if you need any help, just let me know. Okay, so from here, we're in, and this is all we really wanted to do, but there's more. I'm going to exit out of here now. And I'm going to come back to my course, and I'm just going to make sure it works again. It's going to let me take it straight into the homework now. So I just want to make sure everything's working fine. If I click on the homework now, and I can't stress this enough. Make sure you tell your students you have to hit connect, not Alex. That's how they'll log in also, just like this, and they'll hit connect. So you got to stress that to them, and then you're into the course. Now from here, this is it. You're done. I mean, the students can now log in and start their homework once the course starts and everything, and do everything they need to. If you want, now there's an extra thing here. If you want to transfer your grades to Canvas, that's what I'm going to show you next. Now, some of the other platforms let you transfer every single grade, 2.1, 2.2, homework 2.3. Connect won't let you do that. Connect will only let you transfer the overall average. Connect will only let you transfer the overall average to the homework section, to the Canvas. So the way to do this is go to Gradebook. So you don't have to manually transfer the grades over. And every time a student does an assignment, it transfers the grade over automatically. The overall homework average, homework and quiz. No students are here yet. So I clicked on Gradebook, but now we have to go to Gradebook Management. And in Gradebook Management, we're going to click on Gradebook Setup. All right. Now, I only do homework and quizzes in Connect. I don't know if anybody does tests in Connect, if they're using this to do tests or any other, either final exam or anything else. If you do tests and final exams, then I don't think you can transfer your entire grade over. I think it will mess it up unless you do everything in Connect and just transfer one grade over. I think that would be kind of weird. So the only thing I do in Connect is quizzes and homework. Is there anything else you do, Cindy, as far as quizzes and homework is what I have set up?
That's all I do.
Yeah.
That's all I do too, because I do my test inside of Canvas. So.
Right. So there are 27 homework assignments and there are 3 quizzes. So if you click on this, there are 3 quizzes and there are 27 homework assignments here. Now, anything else the students do, like the test reviews or anything else, if they're not on here, they won't, the students will do those test reviews, but they won't count as a grade. The grade will not transfer over because I don't have it in this section. I have it under something else. I'm not sure what I had those. I put them in a category that didn't have a grade in it, had 0%. So there's 26 homeworks. Let me get back here. I keep on. 27 homeworks and 3 quiz grades. Well, what I did was I said, okay, 27 homeworks. If I had 9 quizzes, that would make it 36. Mm-hmm. So each quiz counts as 3 homeworks when I do this. So there's 9. If you look at it, 9 points for quizzes, 27 for homeworks. 9 out of 36 grades total is 25%. Mm-hmm. So that's why I said the quizzes are worth 25% of your grade and the homework is 75% of your grade. And the grade book will do an average of that and transfer that over to Canvas. Now, what do you want that grade to look like, that grade category to look like in Canvas? down at the very bottom, you have to scroll down to the very bottom, and you have to click on automatically synchronize connect math scores with your LMS. And it has connect math score. What I do is I put homework/quiz. And this is the category that will be in Canvas. All the grade average will transfer to this category in my Canvas location. So I'm going to hit save. And it looks like everything's fine. I hit save already. Okay. So let me get out of here and go to the grade book just to show you that category should be in there already. And it should be the only category. Yes. Do you see I label it homework quiz and it's here. As soon as whoever these people are, Albert, does one homework assignment, he's going to fill this in as a grade. A grade will populate automatically. So there's nothing you have to do to transfer the grades. The grades transfer automatically. And once again, it's only an overall average of whatever you want from there. So the homework and quiz grades then, you know, when you go to your Canvas gradebook, you can label your homework and quiz whatever percentage you normally do. Tests, quiz, tests, final, homework, quiz, anything else that you label. That's it. I'm trying to think of.
While he's thinking, Rochelle, I'll add you to my Canvas shell because you can copy my entire Canvas shell. I just finished teaching stats for this winter semester.
Okay, that sounds good.
And that's it. There's, I mean, oh, I do have one more thing. Let me just stop sharing for a second. That if you look up here in the chat box, that's the student registration. It tells you what the students need to do the first time they log in. And
we're not seeing it.
The scroll. Oh, I'm gonna put it there now. Then, hey, give me a second. Because it's there. Maybe I put it there before you guys showed up. It's let me see, chat box right here. I'm going to add it again. Is it there now?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, student registration. So download that to your computer and look over those slides. That's what the students need to do to log in the first time. And I would recommend, it says if you're already a Connect person or a new person, I would always say I've never been in Connect and log me in, log me in as a new user. If you put I'm already a Connect student, or, I've already done it in other classes and you're in Connect, then they're going to want the username and password. And if students don't have it, it's going to be a big hassle, or they're going to have to find it and all that. So I would always just put, I'm a new student and I've never been in Connect. That's it.
Perfect.
I mean, it's a really quick training. And a really quick setup for it. Any questions? How about that, Cindy? You good to go?
Yep, you said 20 minutes and I got all the information. I took lots of notes.
All right, and I'll send out this video tomorrow.
Because when I imported my old stats class, it linked to my new Stats Connect math course.
Yeah, that's
misleading.
Yeah, yeah. That's why you should have the course created first, because you can actually create. There's a button that says "Create me a new course," and then you'll have to start it from fresh. It's best to create the course first and then pick that one. link
Yeah.
to an existing course. It's
Yeah.
so much easier that way. And I talked to them about this, that sometimes when you click some of the other ones, it doesn't link correctly, or like you were saying, it messes up sometimes.
Yeah.
So link to an existing course and then you're good to go.
Yeah, I agree.
All right. That's it. Any questions?
Gloria, you're muted.
Oh,
How's the new calculators working out for y'all? Like Renita, you used the new calculator for the Winterfest because that moves really fast.
Yeah,
Were
I
they
mean, I
able
had
to?
no problem. They used, I mean, I gave them a choice. I'm only using the Inspire, but if they happen to have a TI-84 and they know how to use it, they can use it. But I had one student check out a calculator from us. She did just fine.
I think all the students that used Inspire in the classroom did really well. I mean, they
Mhm.
learned it really quick. I mean,
Mhm.
just long as you write down the steps on the board and
Yeah.
I I project the calculator onto the board and they can see the steps and procedures and they follow right along. And then we have those other videos in there also that will help them out. So
Yeah, because what I did in my Canvas shell is I made an assignment for each section, and then I put links directly to your videos, Bill, and then link to workbook, and it worked out fine for my
yeah,
students.
that's what I do. That's what I do. All right. Any other questions? Okay, you guys have a good evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
And I'll send out this video, like I said, tomorrow, as soon as it processes and all that.
Yeah.
And Rochelle, if you need any help, just you can email me or Renita or something, and just let us know what you need. And I mean, if you need some one-on-one Zoom time, to help you get through the course, we're here.
Most likely. So thank you for your offer.
Sure thing. All right. All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night.